Howdy, I'm Jay Escobar, escobarj.com, and this video is what I'm investing in. All right, so this is going to be a quick video because I'm investing right now in 6 different stocks. I have not been real estate investing for a while now. I've put a hold on that. I believe the market is going to correct itself with the real estate soon. I think the pandemic lingering effects will take effect. So anyway, I'm investing in the stock market right now. And what I'm investing in is Tesla. I believe in Elon Musk and the vision, the future of electric cars and Tesla and SpaceX as well. I've got some stock in Microsoft. Their stock has been super consistent throughout the pandemic as well as the last 30 years. I mean, their trajectory is just always constantly going up. I've got stock in Boeing. Actually, my dad works for Boeing, and so even though it's down right now, it's very, very down. It's a good time to buy because normally it's up in the $300–400 range, and if you invest in the long term, it's a blue chip company. I'm also investing in JetBlue. Now, granted, these are going to change too because I trade these usually about weekly. I'm going to keep Tesla, Microsoft, and Boeing for long term. These last 3 that I'm going to tell you about, I'm weekly trading right now. And I just don't have enough time to day trade on these. I'm working on a lot of different things. So the last 3, which are my kind of medium term / short term investing, is JetBlue. People are going to start traveling a lot more, so that's why they're. Wells Fargo, the financial industry took a big hit, so I bought Wells Fargo pretty low. And General Electric. General Electric is a very, very old company. They've been around for a really, really long time. And they are you can buy a lot of their stock because their stock is on the cheaper side. So you can buy more bang for your buck. So those are the stocks that I'm investing in right now. Again, those could change weekly. I've invested in other companies like Bank of America. I've invested in Citibank. I've invested in a few others. But there's right now I'm focusing more on the higher end companies, the blue chip companies, if you will. A little bit safer of stocks rather than like the penny stocks. And to be honest, I don't really know a whole lot about penny stocks or forex or cryptocurrency, so I just stay in the realm of what I do know as of right now until I learn more. So that's what I'm investing in, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, visit my website escobarj.com, book a coaching session. You can make a donation there for any amount of money you feel is worth the value of the information in any of my videos. You can make a donation there. Also, you can send me an email with a few paragraphs detailing your specific situation with your investments or your personal life or your nutrition or exercise or whatever it is that you need help with, and I'd be happy to help. So always learn, always grow, always push forward, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.